This is the RVSM5 adjustable height home and professional speaker stands with a solid base and adjustable speaker platforms, perfect for studio monitors, bookshelf speakers, and home theater speakers. Available in two different colors of black and white, these speaker stands are perfect for professional and home studios, and the white versions look especially sleek for setups with white studio monitors, for streaming or gaming setups, and for all other all-white looks. These speaker stands have an adjustable top plate to support both big and small speakers securely, and they also feature a solid steel base that has an elegant rounded triangular shaped bottom plate that is heavier, more sturdy, and looks nicer and more professional than traditional studio monitor and bookshelf speaker stands. You can adjust the height of the speaker stands between 33 inches to 52 inches easily with the quick access hand tightening knobs, and the top speaker platforms are adjustable from 5.9 inches to 13.4 inches with edges that fit snug to the width of your speaker. On top of that, the speaker tray has thick foam padding to reduce speaker vibrations and can support speakers up to 100 pounds, making it perfect for a variety of different speaker types and styles no matter what volume level you are listening to them at. These stands are perfect for bookshelf speakers, surround sound speakers, computer speakers, and studio monitors. They will look great in your living room, family room, den, bedroom, or even in your home or professional studio. Included are both rubber feet for hard floors and spikes for carpets so that your stand will be stable on any floor type. Also included are attachable cable management clips to make sure any of your speaker wires do not look messy. And setup is incredibly easy. It comes with everything you need to set up the stands, including a hex key and the two screws that are used to set up the stand. We also have a whole how-to video that shows you step-by-step how to set up your stand so you can feel confident and comfortable with your setup. So if you're looking for a pair of sturdy, sleek, and versatile stands for your bookshelf speakers, surround sound speakers, computer speakers, and studio monitors for home or professional applications, look no further than the RVSM5 from Rockville.